Hello, this is a short video demonstration for Precious Memories MJE on the particular bell, which is dated 1912. It has been very carefully restored and very lightly polished in order to maintain its patina and its character. The bell itself is in perfect working order, and the mechanism has been cleaned and checked by a professional electrician. The transformer is the transformer that was originally with the bell mechanism. It's putting out an 8-volt supply. It also is for this demonstration coming in at 240 volts, and the reason for this short video really is more so that you can see the bell in action, to see it working, but more so to actually hear for yourself the quality of the actual gong ringing. So I'm going to give it some power supply now, and I'm going to bring the bell and especially the gong up to the video mic so you can listen to its crystal clear tinkle. That's all been adjusted in this mechanism that was quite worn, but it's all been, as I say, restored for Precious Memories. So here we go. This is what it sounds like. Please visit the Precious Memories MJE on Etsy for this item that is for sale, along with a couple of other of the bells of that Art Deco era. Thank you for watching this short presentation.